Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching my channel, The Witty Turtle. So today we will study single server exponential service time, right? So here M and 1 is given. So the first M stands for your lambda, that is your average arrival rate. The second M, that stands for your exponential service time, and the last one is what? This one stands for number of services, like only one server is there, right? So this is for one server. So the simplest model involves a system that has one server, okay, that has only one server. एक सर्वर है, that means obviously the model is very simple. The queue discipline is first come first served, like FIFO basis पे होता है, and it is assumed that the customer arrival rate can be approximate by a Poisson distribution and service time by a negative exponential distribution. So there is no limit on the length of queue, like n number of customers can stand in the queue, right? There is no limitation for the length of the queue. And the customer arrival rate, that can be estimated by Poisson distribution method, right? So we know what is that.
So before starting the solution, I would like you guys to know about the CA Foundation Mega Combat, which is going to be held on Unacademy app on 13th of March at 12 p.m. where you have to solve 40 questions in 60 minutes and you can win these exciting rewards. Simply you need to use my coupon code ANVESHA10 to enter and participate in this Mega Combat. Unacademy has started the Triumph batch for CMA Foundation students who are going to appear in June 2022 attempt, and this batch has started from 9th of March, and this is your chance to prepare with the top-notch educators in India. Another comprehensive batch named as Evolve has also started from 9th of March, which is for CMA Intermediate Group 1 students who are going to appear in December 22 attempt. Similarly, the Evolve batch for December 22 attempt CMA Inter Group 2 students is also going to start from 10th of March 2022. You can study with the top-notch educators of India. Simply you need to download the Unacademy learning app, select your goal as CMA Foundation, click on get subscription and you are done. Trust me, these subscriptions are more than just classes. They will give you live interactive classes, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, access to the notes. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session, updated study material with the practice mock test papers. You can get the subscriptions at rupees 875 per month for 24 months and likewise for 12 months and 6 months. Simply you need to use my coupon code ANVESHA10 to avail a 10% discount on all these subscriptions. You can find the link for all these classes in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out.
So coming to the illustration under single server exponential service time. So illustration 8 says, an airline is planning to open a satellite ticket desk in a new shopping plaza, which is staffed by one ticket agent. That means there is only one server, this one ticket agent, who is booking tickets for everybody. So that means only one server is there. It is estimated that requests for tickets and information will average 15 per hour, right? So this is what? This is your lambda. So your lambda is what? 15 per hour, 15 customers per hour. This is your arrival rate. And requests will have a Poisson distribution, okay, and it might have a Poisson distribution. Then service time is assumed to be exponentially distributed, obviously exponential service time, and then previous experience with similar satellite operations suggest that mean service time should average about 3 minutes per request. So this is what? This is your service time, that is your 3 minutes per request. Now we know that service rate क्या होता है? Coming to the formula table, service rate क्या होता है? That is your mu, and your service time is what? 1 by mu. So your service time is given as how much? 3 minutes. That means your service rate will be how much? आपको म्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. So it will be what? 1 by service time. Okay. So this is what? This is your 1 by mu is 3 minutes. Now, one very important thing is what? I have already mentioned in the previous class that whenever you are doing a question like this, the first thing that you have to take care of is आपका जो lambda है और आपका जो mu है, they must be in the same unit. If it is in hour, then it has to be in hours. And if it is in minutes, then it has to be in minutes, right? So the question says you have to determine the system utilization. Then you have to calculate the percentage of time the server will be idle. Okay, तो जो agent है वो कितना time खाली बैठ रहा है. Then the expected number of customers waiting to be served, that is what? That is your LQ. And then the average time customers will spend in the system. Average time the customers will spend in the system is what? वो लोग कितना time wait कर रहे हैं. And also the probability of 0 customers in the system and the probability of 4 customers in the system. That means what? P0 and P4. Right? So let's start solving the question. So what all things are given in the question? Your arrival rate is lambda, that is your 15 customers per hour. Right? This is important. Then we have the service time. Service time कितना है आपका? Your 1 by mu equals to 3 minutes. So service time क्या हो जाएगा? Your 3 by 60. That means it has to be your service rate will be how much? 20 customers per hour. See, 1 by mu is your 3, right? So आपका mu कितना हो जाएगा? Mu will be 1 by 3. And when you will convert this into hours, so you have to multiply 60, right? So it will be what? 20 customers per hour. Understood? Okay, we got lambda and we got mu. Then we have to calculate system utilization. What was the formula for that? Rho equals to lambda divided by mu into m, right? M is what? M is number of channels or number of servers. So lambda is your 15, you have got mu as 20 and you have only one system, you have only one server, so it will be 20 into 1. So system utilization is coming as 0.75. So system का जो total capacity था, out of that only 75% is being utilized. So obviously how much time is how much capacity is being idle? 25%, the remaining 25% obviously. So the next question is percentage of time the server will be idle. Obviously 1 minus 0.75, that will be 0.25, or we can simply write it as 25%. Okay. Now the third question is expected number of customers waiting to be served. So what is the formula for that? LQ equals to lambda square divided by mu into mu minus lambda, right? We know the value of all these all these symbols or all these important data. So simply put the formula and you'll get the answer. Now the next question is average time the customers will spend in the system. That is your WS. Average time the customers will spend in the system का क्या मतलब होता है कि वो लोग how much time they are waiting in the system. So that is your WS. WS का formula क्या है? WQ plus 1 by mu. WQ का formula है LQ by lambda. So we can write LQ by lambda instead of WQ. So your next formula will be WS equals to LQ by lambda plus 1 by mu. Now simply you need to put the values and you will get the answer. The answer is coming as 0.2 hours, or simply we can write it as 12 minutes, right? 12 minutes. Now, what is the probability of 0 customers in the system? We have also got the formula of Pn or P0, right? So the formula for P0 is 1 minus lambda by mu, 1 minus lambda by mu, that is coming as 0.25 or simply 25%. Next question is what? Probability of having 4 customers in the system. So what was the formula for this? Pn equals to P0 into lambda by mu uska to the power n, right? So P4 equals to P0 into lambda by mu to the power 4. So it will be what? We know the value of P0, that is coming as your 0.25. This is your 0.25. 0.25 into 15 by 20 to the power 4. So after calculating, it is coming as 0.079. So this is a very simple question, right? In the next class, we will study single server and constant service time, that is your MD1. And we will also solve illustration number 9. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, The Witty Turtle, share this video with your friends who are in CMA Inter and who want classes of OMSM in English, right? And yes, don't forget to check the offers on Unacademy. The link is given in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram because I'm really posting some amazing content over there.